Hello and welcome. In these lectures, we are going to talk about how to verify that in Java installations and just compiling one a small Java program and running it. So this is the program we are going to use. That class is the Java keyword, AWS Devops, and Java is the name of that in a file name of Java. Public statics void is again like in a keyword. Main string is the keyword args. We are going to use that in as a argument. System out println just for printing that in one particular line, like in welcome to AWS plus DevOps, and closing the parenthesis for particulars methods and closing the class. So these ones we are going to use that. So I'll copy the name of the file first. I have already logged in, and in previous we verified that in a Java. Let's do it once again. Yeah, Java C hyphen version. Yeah, so before doing this ones, you have to make sure you are logging into the subdirectory and you have access for that. Yeah, so I'm in OPT with a root user, so of course that users will have access. So I'm going to use that in vi editor, name of the file dot java. I'm going to create this file, press enter, press escape, type I. Now we are there in insert mode. Copy the contents of file and paste it. Press escape, clone, WQ, exclamations and enter. The files got saved, and now we have to do that in a compile. Java C, name of the file, it's got compiled, and remove the extension, remove the C, we'll able to run it. All done. So this was the only our target for verifying the Java installations and running it. Why we are doing this exercise? Because in going forward you want to install the Java with help of Ansible tools, and this Java will be required for doing that in build process in Jenkins. Yeah, for Tomcat is required for Maven. Once we are going to required for Java. Yeah, so in upcoming sessions we'll do everything is automated, and these tools will be help it out for us. So that's all about. Thanks for watching.